Hello.
Hello.
It is the last home football game ever.
Well, not ever.
Well, yeah. If we win
probably
today.
ever.
Yeah.
Let's be real.
Our first of the last.
Yeah. Ooh.
Like this
Kinda
first,
sad.
like last thing.
Even though I was in the other lane, like if I literally, like sometimes I even drive in that lane, so it's like if I would have been in that lane, like I would have hit that guy like 55 miles per hour. Both
Yeah.
like we would have been going 55 miles per hour head on, which is like, oh my god, they gave me 3 ranches. Dang. Anyways,
Cool.
which is like a big deal. So basically, please be safe when you're driving, and
Yeah.
so
We forgot to tell y'all, but so it's Jersey night tonight, but tonight was also supposed to be senior night. But as you can see, it's raining, so they canceled all senior night activities, and it'll be next Thursday. But then,
I'm like, I can't even go.
yeah, and we made all of our senior jeans, and
8 hours.
yeah, so we're kind of disappointed. But well, our plan is to wear them for senior basketball or something.
And for the senior night, like if we
Yeah, like next
when they
Thursday.
do the walk.
Yeah.
I will not be there. I have practice.
I know. That's so sad. Because there's also like a ton of them. Because it's
Also, though, I don't want to sit there
band,
for like 3
cross-country.
hours because there's literally like upwards of 25 of them.
yeah.
I swear that there's 15 alone with band because there's so many band teams this year.
No, there's gonna be like at least 50.
Yeah.
I don't
Like
think that would
football, cross country, band, pom, cheer.
be. Oh.
What are the other ones?
I
Managers, trainers. I
Oh.
don't know if there's any managers
Yeah, I don't
or
know.
trainers this year.
Well,
No,
Rylan
trainers.
North and
Yeah,
Sophia.
besides
Oh.
cross country.
But like
Sophia.
football managers?
Sophia.
Who's Sophia?
I know, she works at the daycare.
Oh.
Her dad is one of the coaches. Oh my god, it's raining so hard now. It's like flash flooding a little bit in the parking lot.
Flash flooding. What
Looks
is
like your
flash
bus car.
flooding?
Like,
It's like
flooding out of
Oh.
nowhere.
yeah.
See how there's rising water levels? Flash floods. I had to update with my meteorology.
Don't throw up.
I won't.
Okay, ready?
Spinning so much I can't. Oh my god, I'm so dizzy. It's spinning so fast. It might not be spinning that fast, but it feels like it. Like spinny thing in our park.
Yes.
I spun her on it a bunch of times, and then I told her to get off, and she literally got up and started walking around, and she fell on her face. Okay, that's what I told you. It spins so fast.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, Cal, get it.
No.
Oh my god. You're a little red. Here, let's do it. Let's do it in the. Let's do it in the
Oh, a POV.
POV. No. Spin it more.
Wait.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness, that was awful.
I know you did it to me twice. Woo! Oh my god. It's been so long. I'm gonna drop the camera. I don't like it.
Oh my goodness. I think I'm
Callie, it's your turn. We both
Absolutely not.
Yeah.
Lucas.
Well, so whenever me and Riley North went to Hobby Lobby to get Survivor Night stuff, we both got a weighted stuffed animal, and so
Oh my
that's
gosh, you're
Lucas.
tilting forward.
And then yeah.
Ah!
Doesn't it go so fast?
Okay. Okay.
Are you dizzy? Yeah.
Never seen
We're
this
putting our
animal.
ponchos on.
You look scared.
Oh.
I heard the
Oh
whole go.
no. Yay.
Yeah!
Oh yeah. It's game time and beat 'em all.
I'm so excited.
Yay.
We are some loyal fans. Every single person that comes in.
We are
Oh, my
headed
poncho's
to
in the
football.
door.
All doing good back
Yeah. I can never say I've driven in a poncho before.
Yeah. First time for everything. What's up? We made it to the game, but there's like no one parked. Oh yeah, we forgot to tell y'all about. So like they limited parking for everyone because of all the mud and gravel and stuff. So we were really worried about parking, but there's really no one here, and we're 45 minutes early. So we're just sitting here.
But now we get a spot in the fire department.
Yay! Hey, we're walking in. It's kind of It's a little windy. But it's not raining. Oh my goodness, this is a ginormous puddle. Oh my god.
Okay, so
This way?
Okay, it's a little
I'm
cold.
glad we didn't park over here. We are in the blue. It's like nobody here.
Oh, silly, so I took my poncho off.
Hudson, it's vlog time. Hi!
Hi vlog. It's -3 degrees right now.
Is
Oh, we're
it?
true fans.
Oh yeah.
So we're out here. It's
Are you
also
losing your
snowing. You just
voice?
can't see
Oh.
it.
Yeah. Yeah.
Imagine.
It was almost snowing. It's kind of really cool.
But I'm also just wearing like a windbreaker.
Yeah.
But I don't know.
You wanna go up there?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's okay. We are troopers.
It's also not raining right now, so I don't know if our opinions will change when it starts raining.
Yeah.
I heard it.
Yeah.
Yeah, it is.
Dude, perfect.
Is that what?
All right, guys,
Hudson
ready?
is
All sports
missing
golf
it.
battle.
Yeah.
I'm going with the baseball. I got pool. That's on the green. That's on the green. That's on the green.
Quack. You missed it. Yeah, Hudson and the choir kids are singing the national anthem. They're up there somewhere.
And it sounds great. Yeah. It's, I think it's all the seniors.
Oh, yeah. Hattie, say hi.
What so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleaming, whose broad strollless spine o'er the ramparts we watched were so gallantly streaming, and the rockets rang clear, the bombs by night, that our flag was still there. Oh, say does that star-spangled banner yet wave o'er the land of the free and the home of the
Good job.
Our team won at soccer, so that Riley's team has to do extra fitness and not our team.
Yeah. Wait, kind of sad.
We won?
Yeah. Hattie's also on our team and Callie. Yeah, and Cammy's on our team.
Yeah.
Because we only
Good
did one
job,
round and our
Cammie.
team won.
Who else is on blue team?
Right?
Allie's on blue team. They're all celebrating they won, but we lost. Blue team. Blue team.
Wendy's on blue team.
No, blue team.
We only
won.
played after the start ready to quit.
Is that? Oh, that's it.
I asked him this afternoon if he was coming. He said maybe.
That means no.
What was that for? It's really.
They got new speakers and it's really loud.
Yeah.
Really loud. Okay. Is this a new intro? Woo! Podcast.
Nobody.
Is this a new intro? Wow! Let's go, Wildcat!
Home game. Playing, but we can barely hear them.
Did the seniors not all start on senior night?
I guess not.
It's because PC is good.
My hair is not having a wet. But like when it gets like wet, it like
It'll-
curls
yeah.
really good on the little
Person
babies.
10.
It's here. It's kind of sprinkly.
Person 10
That
for
was
the Wildcats.
We're not taking.
32.
We're not taking any chances here.
In my pocket.
It keeps like covering my eyes.
I know. Oh, the raindrops are big.
Don't look that way because the rain is going this way, so if you look that way, they're gonna They don't have ponchos.
I know.
I feel bad for them.
Oh no.
it's like a poncho.
Oh, the sleeve is right here. Oh wait, the sleeve is right here. Right there.
Houston with the carry.
That was good. Okay. How are we feeling?
It's wet, but it's really not that bad because it's just like an experience. Like senior year, the only game we've ever had that rained at the football game.
Yeah.
And
Houston with the
we might go play
carry.
volleyball later, and I'm bad at volleyball, but it's so fun.
Yeah. That's okay.
My eyes itching.
Gain
Yeah.
I get to see JD down there. He doesn't look very. His body language isn't giving.
Going inside the poncho. Oh. Where?
Hey, with the keeper. Fourth
He's
down.
gonna be so bad. It's okay. I wonder if you can like. Okay, yeah. Callie, thoughts?
Really coming down. Hey, girl.
It's going pretty well.
Good.
I'm getting wet.
Yeah. Bye. Oh my gosh. Hang on, let me see. Yeah. It's like a little canopy.
Get in, all three of us.
Oh my goodness, serious in my poncho. You're all in Riley's poncho.
Look at
First and 10.
Oh no.
From the 32.
Surprise.
My hands are wet. I don't like it.
I know. I feel like I'm getting my face really wet.
Update. It stopped raining.
Sorry, Addison.
It's still 0-0.
Oh yeah, it did stop raining, but the poncho's keeping me a little warm.
Yeah.
Allie is fitted up.
First and 10 for the Pirates.
Oh yeah.
Recovered by the defense. First down, Wildcats.
What happened?
They got the ball because they dropped it on the ground and then they got it.
So now it's Piedmont's ball.
Back on offense.
Back on offense.
Literally did the same
Moving on
thing
the
that
field.
they did.
Fumble.
Yeah.
Recovered by the defense.
What just happened?
This is gonna be so bad if this is how it's gonna go.
Yeah. Just back and forth.
Fumble after fumble after fumble.
Paying
First,
attention?
USR Speed Lab.
Hey!
We are committed to enhancing speed, strength, and overall performance for every athlete. Conveniently located.
I chose that.
Oh.
I did it!
What just happened?
I don't care.
Oh, I
They
thought
fumbled
it
a
was like a
punt.
house for a second.
And it went into our own end zone. Touchdown PCO.
Hey
I
guys,
literally just picked it up.
I haven't seen y'all in forever. I was not here the last game because of the migraine issue, but I'm back again.
She is back.
We just got scored on.
I know.
We're at the Chiner.
It was a punt. They just
No,
picked it up. Oh no.
it was a
The
fumble.
kick is
Fumble,
good.
and then we got it back. He fumbled it
Cleveland
again,
City, 7.
and then
Piedmont Wildcats,
touchdown.
0.
But it's okay because Piedmont over anything, right?
Who are these people that do this?
Update. It's still 7-0. We just got that. By the other team. It was kind of rough.
Pretzel at the wrong time. It just started pouring.
Raining. Right as I got it.
Hey, just say mine are free.
We're about to score a touchdown.
Guys,
I
it's raining
think-
now. The radar was
First
right.
and goal. From
Oh, hey, go Cats! What are y'all's thoughts on the game so far?
I think it's pretty rainy.
Yeah, it just started back up again.
I'm not that cold.
That's good. I know. Yeah, it's not
City
that cold.
uses their second
second.
Could be
timeout.
worse. Yeah.
a blast because I got to get some chocolate.
Ooh.
Teachers, principals.
What are your thoughts on the game?
She looks like Paddington.
Oh, that's
Masters in
funny.
Education Leadership for school
Yeah, I know,
and
we're really close.
administrators, special
Fingers
education
crossed.
masters, and masters in teaching.
It's really raining. Oh, God.
have 7 degrees. And we're really committed now.
Yeah, why are the raindrops so cold?
It's also about to start raining food.
Like Maddie. Yeah.
Maddie was in chance 15 minutes.
Oh, yeah.
Or like days when they wake up and
You just scored! Yay! It's 6-7 right now. The lens is a little wet. It's so wet. Hang on, we gotta go inside the poncho. Yay, we scored! Yay! I had to like go inside the poncho. It's so wet.
Siri,
Come on, Wildcats!
Dancer.
Oh my goodness!
It's 7-7, and the Wildcats, we're smoking them, all right? We're gonna win this game. We're gonna win this game.
What's up, guys? It's halftime. You have anything to say? It is. It's getting colder.
It's getting windy.
Yeah.
It's getting colder.
But I think the rain is gone. We think.
And this is most likely our last home game.
It's tied right now, but I don't think. I mean, they may win. We don't know. But I don't think we're gonna play the whole game. Because we're gonna play volleyball. But yeah. Hi.
Bye vlog. I'll see you next week in Tulsa if we go. Pound it.
Oh, it's in
Noggin. See ya.
Yeah.
10 times.
We are back at our house getting dry clothes. Callie, Cadence, and Addison already headed to score because we're gonna meet the whole church group there. But yeah, we are figuring out shoes right now.
Me and Mac wears a 7, and she was wearing an 8.5 shoe of Riley's, and I have an 8.5 or a 9, and I was wearing the 7.5.
Yeah.
So we had to
So they
swap.
switched.
I
Yeah.
still feel like these ones are bigger than mine.
Huh.
Wearing Riley's whole closet, every t-shirt
yeah.
on under this.
Riley socks, Riley
I
have
shirt.
shoes for them.
She gave us
Fit
socks.
check, Riley's shoes, Riley's socks, my Riley.
Oh yeah.
not me. My pants, Riley's shirt.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
I have Riley socks and shoes, my pants, Riley's sweatshirt, and my actually JJ's jersey underneath.
Oh. Okay. Okay.
So
Switching
I have
it up.
one
Yeah.
Irish Riley that's mine.
Yeah. Yeah. Headed to score.
My hair's a little messy, but it's okay.
Yeah,
braided.
it's okay.
It actually braided and it has barely any flyaways.
Oh.
This is
Yeah. I know.
this is revolutionary.
Oh, I
don't know.
You need some salt?
We're at IHOP with everyone.
That's all I have to say. Because I know that dude does not know
12
it.
a.m.
says at 12 a.m.
Is he a freak?
Are you-
Is he a freak? Or 5 to 6
Nah.
So what you're saying is I'm like,
Oh, it smells like pepper.
Yeah.
Yeah. Wow.
I know.
Are you gonna sneeze?
Probably.
Hello, chat. How are you?
Pretty good.
He said.
Bye.
Oh,